This is the HAYLOU X1. It is a dual noise cancelling true wireless earbuds. It has got a 6 mic smart noise cancellation. It features a low latency mode as well as a 30-hour battery life. So it has got multiple noise cancellation modes. With the noise cancellation mode, it is suitable for noisy environment, effectively cancelling noises in places such as the station, subway, or even the shopping mall. Then you have got the transparent mode. It is suitable for meetings, conversations, or even when you are running, as it enhances human voice and ambient sound, having a relaxed conversation with your earbuds. Then it has got the standard mode, where it restores the full sound quality during your alone me time, enjoying your private reading. The 6 mic call noise cancellation with 3 microphones on each earbud, together with the noise cancellation algorithm, can effectively reduce noises and ensure clear call quality. It has got the AAC Audio Codec, where you will get more beautiful music details being retained, and it is compatible with both Android and iOS systems. It has got the new Bluetooth 5.2 and dual masters. With this new Bluetooth 5.2 chip, it has intelligent optimization of the connection for strong interference scenarios, faster transmission, lower latency, and definitely longer battery life. In the low latency gaming mode, it will simultaneously transmit for both ears, and that would effectively reduce sound delay. You can enable low latency gaming mode by simply triple tapping on the right earbud. It features wireless charging, so you can just put down and let it charge without having to worry about messy cables. Do note that you will need to purchase a separate wireless charger, and it uses a Type-C charging interface. So we're going to unbox these earbuds and show you how to set it up, get it connected to your Android phone. We'll show you how to do some music playback and answer and reject calls. So you'll notice it features a similar box size as the HAYLOU W1. So this is what you see once you open up the box. It's got the earbuds itself. This is black in color. And this should be the charging case. It's got the HAYLOU imprinted on the charging case. So it comes with a Type-C USB charging cable, some spare ear tips, and this should be the user guide, and it is in Chinese, and on the flip side it is in English. This is the user manual. So these are the items that you can find in box. So we have put the earbuds into the charging case itself. Let's remove it from the charging case. Next, we'll start up our Bluetooth from our Android phone. You can see that it has detected our HAYLOU X1. Let's select that. So at the Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. And your HAYLOU X1 earbuds are paired to your Android phone. It is that simple. You can see that it is connected for calls and audios, and the battery life is at 90% remaining. Next, with the earbuds paired, we will show you how to play some music. So let's start our music player. So to start and stop music playback, you can actually press once on either the left or the right earbud. So I just press once on the right earbud, it has started the music playback, and if I were to press once on the left earbud, you can see that it has stopped playing. To skip to the next track, press on the right earbud twice. It has skipped to the next track. To go back to the previous track, press on the left earbud twice. And for the various modes of the auto noise cancellation, you can press on either earbud for 4 seconds. We will not be able to show it over here. And if you were to press on the right earbud for 3 times, it will enter the game mode, either to turn it on or to turn it off. And if you were to do a triple click on the MFP on the left earbud, that would summon the voice assistant. So these are the various ways that you can use your HAYLOU X1 earbuds for music playback. Next, we will show you how to answer calls using the HAYLOU X1 earbuds. To answer incoming calls, simply press once on the MFB button. You can hang up the call by pressing on the MFB button once on either earbud. And so, this is how you use the HAYLOU X1 earbuds to answer calls.